Welcome to Arpa Apps, your low-code no-code platform empowers businesses of all types to easily build applications. Hi, I'm Esmeralda, your onboarding specialist. In this video, I'm going to show you how to integrate Zoom in Arpa Apps. Discover a smarter way to manage your meetings with Zoom in Arpa Apps. Seamlessly integrate Zoom with Arpa Apps and elevate your business operations. Imagine effortless scheduling and hosting of video meetings directly within your favorite tools. No more switching between apps, missing appointments, or losing focus. With this integration, planning, organizing, and joining meetings becomes intuitive and efficient. Boost your team's productivity, enhance connectivity, and streamline your workflow, all from a single platform. Ready to redefine how you manage your time in meetings? Experience the power of Zoom in ARPA apps today. So let's begin. Either sign in or sign up. Log in using your credentials. In this video, I will guide you through the process step by step. First, I'll demonstrate how to create a form. Next, I'll show you how to integrate Zoom with Arupa app seamlessly. Then, we'll move on to creating a flow to ensure everything works smoothly. Finally, I'll wrap up with a live demonstration where I'll fill out the form and show you how the Zoom meeting email with the link is received. So let's start. I will show you how to create a form step by step. Start by opening the dashboard menu and navigating to the form section. Click on all forms where you will see all the different types of forms available. For this example, we will select general form to create a simple Zoom webinar registration form. Once you click on general form, you will be taken to the form creation page. Here, you will find all the tools you need to build your form. Begin by naming your form appropriately. For this webinar registration form, I'll use the input tool to capture the name and email ID fields, and I will also add a submit button to finalize the form. To save your form, scroll to the top and change the status from draft to active to start the form. When finished, you can set it to inactive. Adjust final settings as needed. Private restricts access to users other than the users in the tenant. Public allows anyone to access it, and embed enables addition to any HTML page. For this example, we'll choose public. Now save the form to receive the URL for sharing with the audience. This is the form we just created. Next, I will guide you through integrating Zoom with Arupa apps. Start by opening the dashboard menu, navigating to settings, and clicking on integration. From there, select add integration and choose Zoom as the integration type. You will see two app options, Arupa apps and private app, which allows you to create a custom app for the Zoom integration. Let me show you how to set it up. First, go to the Zoom marketplace and sign in, providing all the required information. At the top of the page, click Develop, then select Build App. Choose the General App option and click Create. This will generate the app credentials, the client ID, and client secret, which should be kept confidential. As you scroll down, you will find the auth redirect URL. Go back to the integration page in Arupa Apps, copy the redirect URL, and paste it into the configuration settings in the Zoom app. Next, in the Where to Use Your App field, select Meetings. Finally, add the required scopes for the app. You can find these on the integration page in the Arupa apps. Copy the scopes, paste them into the appropriate section in Zoom, and check the necessary boxes to enable them. Now, enter the client ID and client secret provided in the Zoom marketplace into the respective fields. Then click Connect. Use the login credentials you created for signing into the Zoom marketplace. Once logged in, check the required permission box and click Allow. Upon successful login, you will be automatically redirected to the integration page in Arupa Apps. Provide a name for your integration, then click Save and Submit to finalize the setup. Your Zoom integration has now been successfully added. Next, I'll guide you through creating a flow. Begin by opening the dashboard menu and navigating to the flow section and clicking Create Flow. Start by naming your flow appropriately. To begin building the flow, click the trigger node and select Form Submission as a trigger type. In the source field, choose the form we created in the first step. This ensures that anyone who registers using the form will automatically receive an email with the Zoom link for the webinar. Next, click the Zoom node to connect it to the trigger node. In the integration field, select the Zoom integration we configured in the previous step. For the operation type, choose Create and specify the meeting type as needed. Enter the meeting topic, set the date and time in the When field, and define the meeting duration in minutes. Be sure to select the appropriate time zone. In the Participants field, link the email ID from the form data using the trigger node. Additionally, you can check options like enabling video or allowing participants to join anytime and muting participants upon entry based on your preferences. After configuring the Zoom node, click the email node and connect it to the Zoom node. In the To field, use the trigger node to map the email ID field from the form data. If you have a pre-designed email template, you can use it. Otherwise, create one manually. Fill in the from name and from address fields with the company email ID you've integrated. Set an engaging subject line and customize the email body. You can use a trigger node to dynamically include the registrant's name and the Zoom meeting URL, making the email personalized. Next, check the option to attach an event and click Create an event. Fill in all the necessary event details and save it. Finally, save the flow to complete the process. Now, let's fill out a demo form to demonstrate the process. I'll also show you the email that is sent upon completing the form. Thank you for watching our video on how to integrate Zoom in Arupa apps. Like, share and subscribe to our channel for more interesting videos using different tools in Arupa apps to make your business grow. For further information, please reach out to hello@arupaapps.com. Thank you.